Welcome back to Being Financially. Have you ever imagined a scenario where your investment fund could think, learn, and adapt at a pace faster than any human on Wall Street? Enter the realm of AI-traded funds, or ATFs, the future of investing. ATFs leverage cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology to analyze market data, detect trends, and make informed investment decisions in real time. Gone are the days of relying solely on human intuition and emotion in the volatile world of finance. With ATFs, your fund is constantly evolving, learning from past experiences and adapting to market conditions with lightning speed. Imagine having a powerful algorithmic system at your fingertips, tirelessly working around the clock to optimize your investment returns. ATFs can process vast amounts of data at speeds beyond human capabilities, ensuring that your fund is always one step ahead of the curve. The beauty of ATFs lies in their ability to remain objective and unswayed by external factors that may influence human traders. Emotions such as fear and greed are eliminated from the equation, leading to more rational and efficient investment decisions. So whether you are a seasoned investor looking to enhance your portfolio or a newcomer eager to dip your toes into the world of finance, consider the limitless potential of AI-traded funds. Welcome to the future of investing, where innovation meets opportunity. AI-traded funds, or ATFs, are revolutionary investment portfolios that operate without human intervention, instead relying on cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology. These funds have the capability to analyze an extensive amount of data points, such as news updates, social media trends, company earnings reports, and even tweets in real time. Through this continuous monitoring of information, ATFs are able to make informed decisions and swiftly adjust your investments accordingly. What sets ATFs apart is their ability to utilize advanced algorithms that can process vast amounts of data at incredible speeds. This allows them to identify trends, patterns, and market fluctuations that may not be readily apparent to human investors. By harnessing the power of AI, these funds can react swiftly to changes in the market, maximizing potential returns and minimizing risks for investors. Investing in AI-traded funds provides a unique opportunity to take advantage of the latest advancements in technology within the financial sector. With their ability to adapt to changing market conditions in real time, ATFs offer a level of efficiency and precision that traditional investment methods simply cannot match. As the future of finance continues to evolve, AI-traded funds represent a cutting-edge approach to managing investments and maximizing returns. In conclusion, AI-traded funds are a game changer in the world of investment management. By leveraging artificial intelligence to analyze data and make investment decisions, these funds offer a dynamic and innovative approach to growing and diversifying your portfolio. With their real-time adjustments based on a multitude of data points, ATFs provide investors with a strategic advantage in navigating the complexities of the financial markets. Embrace the future of investing with AI-traded funds and unlock the full potential of your investment portfolio. Ever wondered how those stock market bots seem to always know the best time to buy or sell? It's all thanks to machine learning and predictive analytics. These sophisticated algorithms use vast amounts of data to forecast market moves with incredible accuracy. Imagine a bot that reads the news, analyzes charts, and rebalances your portfolio, all before you finished your morning coffee. That's exactly how these tools work. They scan news articles and social media to stay on top of market trends, then use advanced analytics to crunch the numbers and predict how the market will move. It's like having a team of financial experts working around the clock to advise you on the best investment decisions. And because they're constantly learning from new data, they're always adapting to the ever-changing market conditions. So the next time you see a stock market bot making a savvy move, remember that it's all thanks to machine learning and predictive analytics. These powerful tools are revolutionizing the way we approach investing, making it easier than ever to stay ahead of the game. Funds like AIEQ, Qraft's QRFT, and BlackRock's AI-enhanced ETFs are already trading using AI. Some have outperformed in volatile markets. Others have stumbled, proving this space is still evolving. The utilization of artificial intelligence in trading has gained significant traction in recent years, with funds like AIEQ, Qraft's QRFT, and BlackRock's AI-enhanced ETFs leading the way. The incorporation of AI technology has allowed these funds to navigate through volatile market conditions with varying degrees of success. AIEQ, for instance, has demonstrated impressive performance during times of market turbulence, showcasing the potential of AI-driven trading strategies to outperform traditional methods. On the other hand, Qraft's QRFT and BlackRock's AI-enhanced ETFs have faced challenges, highlighting the evolving nature of this space. It is clear that the intersection of AI and trading is still in the process of maturation, with successes and setbacks shaping the landscape. As these funds continue to refine their AI algorithms and adapt to changing market dynamics, the potential for further advancements and outperformance remains a compelling prospect. In conclusion, the emergence of funds utilizing AI for trading, such as AIEQ, Qraft's QRFT, and BlackRock's AI-enhanced ETFs, underscores the evolving nature of this space. While some have excelled in navigating volatile markets, others have faced obstacles, indicating that the true potential of AI in trading is yet to be fully realized. As the development of AI-driven strategies continues, the future holds promise for further advancements in the realm of AI-enhanced trading. Are you someone who believes in the power of data-driven investing? Do you like to stay on the cutting edge of technology and explore new opportunities? If so, you may want to consider looking into ATFs, or automated trading funds. ATFs are a type of investment fund that uses advanced algorithms and data analysis to make investment decisions. This cutting-edge technology allows for more precise and efficient trading, potentially leading to higher returns on your investments. However, just like any new technology, it's essential to understand the risks involved with ATFs. While they offer the potential for higher returns, there is also the potential for higher volatility and risk. It's crucial to thoroughly research and understand the intricacies of ATFs before investing. Reading the fine print and seeking professional advice is crucial when considering this type of investment. In addition, it's essential not to get caught up in the hype surrounding ATFs. While they may seem like a surefire way to make money, the reality is that no investment is guaranteed. It's essential to approach ATFs with a level head and a sound investment strategy. So in conclusion, if you believe in data-driven investing and want to explore the cutting edge, ATFs may be worth a look. But like all tech, know the risks, read the fine print, and don't just follow the hype. With careful consideration and thorough research, ATFs could potentially be a valuable addition to your investment portfolio. But as with any investment decision, it's crucial to approach it with caution and a clear understanding of the potential risks involved. Are AI-traded funds the future or just another flashy trend? What do you think? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Make sure to like and follow for more smart money insights. Stay tuned for the latest updates and expert opinions on the evolving world of finance. Join us as we navigate the complexities of the financial markets together. Your feedback is valuable, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. Together, let's explore the potential of AI-traded funds and whether they are here to stay or just a passing fad. Thank you for being part of our community. Remember to engage with us for more informative content on smart money management.